So now to put everything back together in reverse order and then do some more research on what to do if the line between the reservoir and the dispenser is contaminated. All right, so put some backwards pressure on the other side of this pump as you push in. You don't want that to break off. Get that piece, pop that down and in. And wedge it inside. And we're going to replace that clip. I don't know why the other one doesn't have a clip, but it shouldn't be going anywhere. But if we do end up having a leak somewhere, we're going to make sure that we check there. As long as you pull back out strong, it's not going anywhere there. The beauty of the shark bite. We tuck that in there. There's a little wedge here, and then there's an opposite one underneath, which gets it to hold in place for the most part in there pretty solidly. And just double checking that we've got everything in place. Okay. And then this is going to slide up and in. There's a couple of pieces. You just want to make sure that there's a piece that overlaps in back and pieces that overlap in front. It's pretty self-evident, and it slides up, and then you can see over here that the screw hole lines up there. And then over on the right side, let's see if we can get that. And then over on the right side, that is going to pop in. Pretty loud sound, but it's just plastic on snapping on plastic, so don't worry about that. All right, last part is the screw, and we'll be good to go. A little hard with the filming in the one hand. Those of you who have tried it before know. Yeah, this is not working. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Let's make sure it's lined up. It was not, but now it is. So it looks like what I'm gonna have to do is give a little pressure to the left from the right side. Make sure that that hole lines up. So everything was good. Clean and flush over there. Clean and flush over there. And clean and flush